Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see top 20 GK questions which are asked in all the exams. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. So the first question is, the foundation of modern education system in India was laid by. Right answer is option B, Macaulay's Minutes of 1835. Friends, the foundation of modern education system in India was laid by Macaulay's Minutes of 1835. English education started during the tenure of Lord William Bentinck. Macaulay's Minutes of 1835 was introduced by the British historian and politician Thomas Babington or Lord Macaulay on 2 February 1835. In this, English education was demanded for Indians. Which leader was involved in the murder of Mr. Sanders to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai? Right answer is option A, Bhagat Singh. Friends, on December 17, 1928, the revolutionaries Bhagat Singh and Shivram Rajguru shot and killed Assistant Superintendent of Police John Sanders. Sanders was responsible for the death of Lala Lajpat Rai during the protest against the Simon Commission. And revolutionaries including Bhagat Singh killed Sanders to avenge the death of Sanders. Lala Lajpat Rai was hit during a lathi charge while leading an agitation against the commission and succumbed to his injuries on November 17, 1928. Atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers which have the same mass number are known as blank. Right answer is option A, isobars. In which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is right to property mentioned? Right answer is option D, Article 300A. Friends, the Constitution originally provided for the right to property under Articles 19 and 31. However, the 44th Amendment of 1978 removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights. Later, a new provision, Article 300A, was added to the Constitution, which provided that no person shall be deprived of his property except by authority of law. Where is the headquarters of World Customs Organization? Right answer is option C, Brussels, Belgium. Friends, the World Customs Organization is an intergovernmental organization. It was formed on 26th January 1952. It was established as the Customs Cooperation Council. In 1994, its name was changed to World Customs Organization. The gho is the traditional and national dress for men in blank. Right answer is option A, Bhutan. Friends, Bhutan is a neighboring country of India, touching the northeastern states of India. Kira is the traditional dress for women in Bhutan and gho is the traditional dress for men in Bhutan. When is National Energy Conservation Day observed? Right answer is option A, 14 December. Friends, the National Energy Conservation Day is organized every year on 14th December, every year by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency under the Ministry of Power. Which country will host the Men's FIFA World Cup 2034? Right answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Friends, the men's FIFA World Cup takes place every 4 years. FIFA World Cup is a football tournament. The men's FIFA World Cup will be the 25th edition in 2034 and will be hosted by Saudi Arabia. Which instrument is used to measure humidity? Right answer is option D, hygrometer. Friends, a hygrometer is an instrument used for measuring the relative humidity. The first crude hygrometer was invented by Leonardo da Vinci in 1480, and a more modern version was created by Johann Heinrich Lambert in 1755. Later, in the year 1783, Horace Benedict the Saucer invented the first hygrometer using human hair to measure humidity. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court of India for the protection of fundamental rights? Right answer is option D, 5. Friends, in India, the Supreme Court can issue writs of privilege under Article 32 of the Constitution and the High Court under Article 226, like habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. By which of the following amendment fundamental duties were added in the Constitution? Right answer is option C, 42nd Amendment. Friends, the feature of fundamental duties was borrowed from the Constitution of Russia. Fundamental duties are incorporated in the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment 1976. Fundamental duties was added in Part 4A, Article 51A of the Constitution. Fundamental duties were added to the recommendation of the Swaransi Committee in 1976. There were originally 10 fundamental duties in the Constitution. Later, 11th fundamental duty was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment 2002. The 11th fundamental duty was related to free elementary education to children. Who was the ruler of Delhi Sultanate when Ibn Battuta came in India? Right answer is option B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Friends, the famous Moroccan traveler Ibn Battuta came to Delhi in 1334 during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He acted as the Qazi of Delhi for 8 years. The real name of Muhammad bin Tughlaq was Zauna Khan. He was the eldest son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the founder of the Tughlaq dynasty. Halogens have blank electrons in their outermost shells. Right answer is option D, 7. Who among the following authored the book titled Varna Parichay? Right answer is option B, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Friends, Varna Parichay is a Bengali primer written by 19th century Indian social reformer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. This is considered as the most influential primer of Bengal. The primer had 2 parts and was published. Which country has won the title of Women's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy 2023? Right answer is option B, India. Friends, India beats Japan 4-0 to win Women's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy 2023. It was organized in Ranchi, Jharkhand, India, and the mascot was Juhi. Which one of the following sagas of ancient India wrote Mimamsa Sutra? Right answer is option D, Jaimini. Friends, the famous book Mimamsa Sutra written by Rishi Jaimini is the base of Mimamsa. It is divided into two parts. One, Purva Mimamsa and second, Uttar Mimamsa. Maharshi Vedvyas was the guru of Jaimini, who is the author of Mahabharata. Dhamek Stupa is located at which of the following places? Right answer is option D, Sarnath. Friends, Dhamek Stupa is located at Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. It was built by Emperor Ashoka. It marks up the place where Lord Buddha preached his first sermon. Garlic is an example of which of the following stem modifications? Right answer is option C, bulb. Discretionary powers of governor are mentioned under which articles? Right answer is option A, Article 163. Singhe Khabbas festival is celebrated in which region of India? Right answer is option C, Leh Ladakh. Friends, Singhe Khabbas festival is celebrated in Leh Ladakh. It projects the Indus as a symbol of India's unity and communal harmony. Earlier, this festival was known as Sindhu Darshan Mahotsav. This festival is being held every year in the month of June. It was first started in the October 1997. Friends,